I'm making Peanut put up her own birthday decorations. Is that savage of me?
No, it's fun. It's
then you
fun.
get to decide what it looks like.
We're having fun.
We're having fun. Now that the room is sufficiently decorated, we
Whoa!
can begin what we set out to do, which was wish little Peanut happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I've worked really hard to get here. The Guntank cookie is gonna turn out 10 out of 10.
It's gonna turn up.
It's gonna turn up and turn out.
If we're making a 3D Guntank, I didn't know how much cookie dough we would need to make it 3D.
I think that's gonna be plenty.
Let me...
My nephew. I love my nephew. I love you, mister.
He looks like he loves you too.
I love you so much.
He's like, oh, this is great. This is the best thing ever.
Look at his face.
Last year for Peanut's birthday, we made a Guntank cake. I like the face that I screen grabbed you with. So this year we're gonna do a 3D cookie somehow, some way. We're gonna make it happen with good old Betty Crocker.
Good old Betty Crocker.
The instructions on the back, this is one of the easy way outs, because I feel like we're gonna spend so much time cutting and making a Guntank out of 3D, that I was like, we should probably skip it on the dough and just get something that's really easy to make. And for glue, I just grabbed our good old Betty Crocker whipped vanilla icing. We're gonna do our absolute best with this. You're getting shit all over the table already. How do you do this?
I don't know. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Isn't this like appetizing? What do you mean?
Do you want some cookie?
So once you're done mushing all your dough, I figure I would roll out parchment paper on the table, and then you can flatten it. And you're gonna have to figure out what shapes to cut to make the Guntank.
I see. This smells delicious. Can you guys smell that through the camera?
You're getting shit everywhere,
No.
man. You're throwing it out of the bucket.
Got it.
Out of the bowl.
Out of the bucket?
Out of the bucket cookies.
Bucket cookie. Okay, this is done.
Before I can grab a tissue and...
That's a tread side. And I'm planning on them, of course, like, pillowing out a little bit.
Yeah, we can always cut them once they're done.
Yeah, that's
like,
true.
Shape them up
that's
a little
true.
bit. Okay, so what are these shapes here? I can tell that these are the treads because these are kind of triangle-y.
This is going to be his bottom half.
That connects the treads?
Yeah, because it's like a 3-sided triangle shape-ish thing.
What is that piece?
This is going to be his abdomen piece, the skinny bit where he gets snatched.
What could possibly go wrong?
Ooh.
Worst case scenario, it still tastes great.
It's still just cookie.
It's still just cookie.
It really is just cookie. Does that sound good?
Cookie ASMR.
That looks great.
How
Beautiful.
it's gonna turn into a Guntank is anybody's guess. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the oven
Okay.
for 12 minutes.
Are you setting a timer?
Yes.
Okay.
For 12.
Godspeed.
Let me go get the cookies out of the...
The oven?
Let me get the cookies out of the oven. Are you ready?
No! Oh no! Oh no! Okay.
So you're supposed to let them cool for 2 minutes. But if you were going to cut them while they're still... while they're still kind of...
Okay, so...
toasty would be the way to do it.
What is the play here? What is the play? What do we do? What are we doing, gang? Where are we dropping?
We told you this was gonna happen.
Oh,
were like, don't crowd the pan. You got
I didn't have a
too close
choice.
together.
I didn't have a choice. What was my choice?
Oh, witness greatness, perfection, says Voz. Is perfect, says Cody. Happy birthday, Peanut.
Thank you.
So 2 of these are supposed to be
I think
treads.
this is supposed to be a tread. Scoop it.
Oh, that was almost a real cooking technique.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna learn something here.
Dude, I know what I'm doing. Okay. So these are the treads. Okay. The triangles.
Okay, so treads, check.
This
Okay, treads.
This was going to be a support piece for the bottom
Yep.
of his bit,
His booty.
his booty butt.
So the bottom of his booty? And then you need 2 other pieces to make the rest of the triangle of his
like
booty.
The biggest ones, I guess, like these
That
two.
one, yeah. And you're gonna, like, triangle them up this way?
Yes. That is the goal, so I need them to harden.
It's coming together. Dang, I go do some chores and come back to a whole ass Guntank. Way to turn that around, Peanut. Cody left when it was like a fucking rectangle cookie into the sheet. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is shaping up. You guys can't see it from this angle yet until she starts to glue it down. This is looking good. Filing it down, sanding it.
Yeah. Chiseling it. I'm a sculptor.
Yeah. Here's to hoping it works.
Here's to believing in ourselves. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I'll take a picture to show you guys what it looks like from the front. Oh my goodness, it's so cute!
It has like ear up there. Oh, it's adorable!
Now it's got a head on it.
Looky dee!
Look at it! It's so cute! At this point, I am impressed. Doctor, like, it's somehow working.
Okay. That's him! If that ain't Guntank, I don't know what is.
It's definitely coming along. Look at this!
I'm so proud of it.
It's kind of impressive, gang.
How am I going to...
Looks cool, thank you!
How am I going to do this?
You're able to sculpt cookies into a Guntank. You know what? It's been about 3 hours. 2.5 hours is pure struggle.
I don't know how we're doing this, but we're doing it.
Oh my god, it's working.
Oh my god, it's working.
Oh my god, it's working.
Oh my god, it's working. Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, everybody relax, okay? I need another toothpick. Stat. Beautiful me.
It's turning out, somehow.
Somehow, some way.
Look at it. Yay.
Nice. It looks good. That looks fire.
That looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
Okay, let me get you a plate. Transplanting him is gonna be dangerous.
The final step. Eat it before she gets back. The whole thing.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Hold your baby.
And here it is.
Here, put him like right up.
Isn't he so cute? Oh my god. He's adorable. I love him. What a goofy little guy.
Did we do it? Does this look like a Guntank?
I feel like this counts. Oh, he's drooping. He's drooping?
Yeah, he's a little bit droopy. That's a stack of pancakes right there.
Oh no! Oh god, we knew it was gonna happen. Thanks,
Better than I expected when you took it out of the oven. So his cannons have already fallen off, but you guys got to see it before they started to fall off. Okay, Peanut. Time to eat your Guntank.
Goodbye, my sweet prince. You look so beautiful. I don't want to eat him, but I will. Okay. Goodbye. That's a good cookie. Crunchy.
Overall, how was your Guntank experience?
Very good. It was messy, like the Guntank cake.
Mm-hmm.
Gun cake? What do we call it?
Guntank.
Guntank? I'm gonna
Delicious. Guntucky.
Guntucky!
Yeah, we need to get everything cleaned up. We need to get you cleaned up. We gotta clean this entire room because there's Guntucky everywhere.
There's Guntucky everywhere. Had a very, very good weekend.
But thank you guys again so much for coming in for the birthday stream.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
We show you the Guntank, but he's already missing various limbs.
I ate him.
Goodbye, everybody.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Bye.